tears. No one can know my fears. I'm trapped inside this heaviness, feeling like there's no place left to go. They looked at me and say, "You're alright," not knowing that I'm dying inside. Like a bird in a cage, I wanna fly away, but I have nowhere to go. So I open up and say, "Free me, break the walls around me. Free me and give me your anointing. Free me and wipe the tears from my eyes. Won't you come and free me?" You can see my heart and know my pain. You look past my thoughts and know my ways. You know the deepest, darkest parts of me. You can help me to be complete. They looked at me and say, "You're alright," not knowing that I'm dying inside. Like a bird in a cage, I wanna fly away, but I have nowhere to go. So I open up and say, "Free me, break the walls around me. Free me and give me your anointing. Free me and wipe the tears from my eyes. Won't you come and free me? Free me from this hurt, all this pain I feel inside. Free me from my past, please don't let it last. Free me from the scars that always plague my mind. Free me, I wanna be free. Like a bird in a cage, I wanna fly away, but I have nowhere to go. So I open up and say, "Break the walls around me. Free me and give me your anointing. Free me and wipe the tears from my eyes. Won't you come and free me? Wanna be free."